Hi guys, today we are going to see how to make a player selection window. So to allow your player to spawn with a different type it chose. So first of all, we are going to create those different types based on the girl. So open your resource editor and then go to type, unit and girl. So as we don't have lots of time, we're gonna just clone them. So copy, paste. So now we have girl normal, girl 2 and girl 3. We are going to do the same with the eye material. So we are going to have a difference visual. So copy, paste. Okay, so now this one is going to be the blue one. So just edit the diffuse color and put it to a beautiful blue. Then save it. And the number 3 is going to be the red one. So that's it. Now we are going to assign those material to the mesh. So this one, select the mesh and select the first material. So now we got the blue one, and for the girl 3 we are going to set it to the red one. So you can imagine to put a type which is faster but cheaper, so with less health, and put one more tanky, so with lots of health but slower, and you can let the user choose. So we got those two, and now we are going to create the window that is going to allow player to choose it. So go to GUI and create a new graphic user interface and select default window. So next. So here we are. Just rename it to character selection .gui. .gui. Okay. So now I'm going to make it a bit bigger. Okay. Position. So back color, I'm gonna just put some alpha and mouse cover. Yep, that's it. Okay, so we got our window. So select your character, and then I'm gonna attach some controls. So sandbox, I got one. Whoops. And clone it. Yep. So we are now going to configure this sandbox. So select it and go to objects. Wait a second. Object, yep. add a new one. So it's sandbox mesh. So the name of the mesh is in type unit girl.mesh. The first one does not have override material because it's the default one. So let's do it for the two others. Mesh name girl. Yep. And the material is going to be the second one, girl2. Okay, and you can already see it's the blue one. And then for the last one, so mesh name is this one, and it's girl3. So okay, now we can, as you can see, we don't see the girl, so we are going to move it a little bit. So edit it, and we are going to put it a bit far away on the camera. So 1.5 and -1 here. So we see the girl here, but she's not facing the camera, so we are going to put it so it's the z-axis, and we are going to put her in like this. Perfect. And maybe add 15 degrees to get better effect. Okay, great. So here we are. Okay, maybe too dark, so here, and yeah, 160 is good. Okay, so we are going to do the same for the others. So here we are, ping 1.50 -1, 1575. $160. 1.50 -1 and 1575. Okay, so here we have our normal girl, blue girl, red girl. So now we are going to add buttons. So select the main controls, create new control, default button. So here, normal, text normal, clone it, so blue one, and red one. Okay, so our control is now done. You can save it. We are going to remember that it's character selection.gy. So close it and open your Visual Studio. So here I have my free edition. So we are going to create a new window. So inside games, right click on game, add new class, and we are going to name it character selection window. So it's a public one, and it comes from controls. So control. So need to add engine dot using engine dot UI system. Okay, so this window is going to load a GUI window. So control window, and we are going to assign it inside unattach. So override unattach. So window is equal to control declaration manager dot instance dot create control, and it's GUI character selection dot GUI, and then controls dot add window. So then it's going to load it and display it. So we know our window has some controls, so some buttons, the normal, the blue, and the red one. So we are going to assign some features when user click on it. But first we need to set the place where the value is stored. So we are going into game world and just add a public static string. So it's that is going to store the type name chosen by the user. So chosen character, here we are, and now we are going into a method which is server single create player unit. So just do control plus F and type girl and you will find it easily. So what's happened here? It's when the game world need to create a unit for the player, it's going to call this method. So if you have a specific type for the map, it's going to use it, or it's going to use the default one, which is girl. But no, default one is not the girl, but the one we choose. So we are going to check if we have chosen one or not, and if not, we are going to put the girl as the default. So string dot is nil or empty, chosen character. That. So if it's null or empty, we are going to put the girl, else we are going to put chosen character. And then the system is going to create the good one for us. Save it, and now we are going back to our character selection window. So here we are. We are going to get our button, window dot controls. So the first one is named normal. dot click. Here we are going to add an anonymous function. So it's like if you create a delegate and add it, just a C# feeder, and then game world, game world, oh, need to add using project entities. So dot chosen character, it equals to, so for this one it's girl because it's the default one. And now we are going to copy paste this. So if the button is the blue one, it's girl 2, and if the button is the red one, it's girl 3. Should be this. Just going to check. So normal, blue, red, great. That's it. So we got this, and then don't forget, after assigning, add set should detach, because it's going to close this window. So this and this, okay. And now we are going to add a feeder when the window is closed. So override detach on detach, and we are going to load the map. So in fact we are going to bind this feeder to the main menu run button, because it's only for tutorial purpose. So let's go to main menu, .yes, which is in game project, and find the run click method, and so copy it and comment it, and then here controls dot add new character selection window. Save it. Okay. Now save it, and then go back here and paste this. Then what's going to happen? You click on run. It prompts the character selection, and then when you choose one, it's going to close the window and actually load the demo map. So I'm going to try it, but I'm not sure you will be able to see it because it's in full screen. Build error. Oh, yep. Forgot to close this. So run demo map. We got this normal blue and red one. I'm gonna choose the red one. And then if I press F7, you can see I actually have the red one. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.